A very good morning to my dear students. Today in this tutorial, we are going to do a chapter. The name of the chapter is Science Branches. See, science is not a very small subject. It is a vast subject. It has so many branches as tree has so many branches. Okay. So science has different kind of branches and there is a study of every branch, and with every branch different names are associated. So in this chapter you have been given fill-ups, okay, and in these fill-ups you have to fill in the blanks. There are different names for different branches. For example, if you want to study about flowers and plants, what name is that? For that name is botany. So like that, if you want to study about human life, if you want to study about animal life, different terms are associated with that. So we are going to start this chapter. So for that, I'm going to share one screen with you. Now students, I have shared one pic with you. See, this is basically a tree of science. Okay, as tree has different branches, science has also so many branches. Okay, it can be mathematics, it can be physics, chemistry, astronomy, meteorology, geology, botany, zoology, bacteriology, anthropology, paleontology, physiology. So different terms are there. But here I will be telling you, I will be sharing with you the meaning of each term in detail. So let's start with this. See, my dear students can understand this topic so nicely. For that, I have shared one screen with you. See, in this screen, you will come to know that there are different terms, what names are given to those terms. For example, what happened before us, for that, what we study, it is known as history. When we want to study about Earth and its people, we say it, we are studying geography, okay? When scientists study about outer space, what do they study? They study astronomy, okay? When scientists study about environment, what is that called? It is called that ecology, okay? And when matter, elements, okay, how do they interact? When such kind of study is being done, what is this called? It is called chemistry. And when it is studied how things move and how the universe behaves, so this is called as physics, okay? How should we keep our bodies and minds healthy? For this, what study is done? This is known as medicine. All these are branches associated with science, okay? When we want to, you can say, study about thoughts, feelings and emotion, this is related to that. So this is known as psychology, okay? When scientists study about living things, what this study is called? It is known as biology, okay? So when this kind of studies is done, that how do we look like our ancestor, like that, when we study like this, so it is known as genetics. So there are different kind of studies, okay? So in this chapter, you have been given 12 fill-ups, okay? And you have to fill in the blanks and you have to write down the name that is used for that study, okay? So for that, I'm going to share screen with you. So here is a page that I have taken from your book, okay? So the very first fill-up that is given in your book on page number 29 that you have to do now with me, you just students pick up pencil and start doing it with me. I will be telling you one by one. See, there is first fill-up. The first fill-up is that the science of composition, properties, reactions, and the structure of matter, what this science is known as. So this science in which we read about composition, properties, reactions, structure, all this branch of science is known as chemistry, okay? So write down the spellings of chemistry very, very carefully. Okay. Write down chemistry, CHEMISTRY, chemistry. Okay. When scientists want to study about ocean, so when they are studying about ocean and its life, so what this study is known as, it's known as oceanography. So for that, it is very easy to learn. You just write down ocean first of all, then put O and then write down graphy. So it is known as oceanography. Okay. What is the study of heredity? Heredity means the study that belongs to our ancestors, that belongs to our forefathers. Okay. So when scientists do such kind of study, what term is used for such kind of study? That is known as genetics. GENETICS. So it is known as genetics. Okay. Next, fourth fill-ups that we have is when they want to study of plants, when scientists study about plants. So while in the introduction of the chapter also I have told you that what is that? What is that? It is known as very simple botany. Okay. Okay. When scientists want to study about ancient life, ancient means old life, our previous life, you can say our ancestors' life, like that. So what that study is known as? This study is known as paleontology. Okay. Paleontology. Write down spellings with me on your books. It is known as paleontology. Clear? Now see, in universe, there are so many things. Okay, scientists study about universe, they study about Earth's atmosphere. So whenever they are doing such kind of study, that is a branch associated with science. So this branch of science is known as astronomy. ASTRONOMY. So this term is known as astronomy. Clear, beta? Okay. Now we are going to read about seventh fill-up. When scientists study about matter, about energy, and the interaction between matter and energy, what that science is called. See, now you are a student of 5th class. When you will grow up, your science will be divided into different parts like chemistry, physics, bio. Okay, so in chemistry, what you will come to know? You will come to know about composition, properties, reaction, and the structure of matter. Okay, and when you will be studying about matter and energy and the interaction between all these terms, so this term will be known as physics. Okay, PHYSICS. Okay. Okay. When scientists, they want to study about origin, history, and structure, when such kind of science is read, okay, so this term is what? This term is known as, in this study, we come to know about the history, about the origin, about the structure of the earth. It means all the terms are related with earth. So this term, for this term, the name we have is geology. GEOLOGY. Okay, students, write down with pencil, using a pencil on your books. Don't use pen, because last week when I checked your books, I was so surprised. So many students have used pens to write down in your books. That is really a bad habit. You should avoid it. You should always use pencils. Okay. Now, let's move to 9th. See, if we want to know about how will the future how will the climate tomorrow, how will be the environment tomorrow, we study about weather forecasting. Okay, we search on our mobiles at what will be the weather forecasting. Okay, so such kind of study that deals, such kind of science that deals with weather and climate, that science has a very beautiful name, that is a meteorology. Okay, MET, write down MET EO, okay, ROLOGY. I'm writing so slow. You just write down with me, meteorology. METEOROLOGY. R-O-L-O-G-Y. Okay. Now, there is another branch of science in which only animal and animals' life is being studied. Only animal and animals' life is being studied. What is that? This branch of science is known as zoology. Clear, students? Write down in your books. Its term is zoology. Okay. When we have any kind of problem, we go to doctor. Okay. When we have any injury, any disease, any illness, okay, we want to get that treatment and we visit doctor. So this science which deals only with diagnosing means to find out, okay, treating and preventing illness, disease and injury. This kind of science is known as what? This kind of science is known as, very simple, it is known as medicine. Okay. Now we have last fill up 12th one, that is when scientists do study of human and human behavior. For that there is one term. What is that one term? Anthropology. A-N-T-H-R-O-P-O-L-O-G-Y. So write down the spellings very, very carefully. A-N-T-H-R-O-P-O-L-O-G-Y, anthropology. So these are the terms which are associated with the different science branches. You have to write down on your books. You have to learn it by heart. Okay, students? Now this is your homework, that you just go through this chapter thoroughly, revise it. And if you face any kind of problem, you can ask me in your GK doubt clearing session next week. Okay, students? Thank you and have a nice day.